Howdy and welcome to my channel today. Today we're gonna regrow some grocery store bought cabbage. I'm gonna show you how I do it. So let's get started. Now here's one that's already started growing. I put this in about 2 weeks ago. I put the toothpicks in it to keep it from dropping down into the water. Hold it on top of the water. You can see these fine roots just started on it. On this one right here. So this is the latest one. I got another one, but this has been about 2 weeks sitting in water. As long as you keep it to the top edge of this, the jar where it stay on the bottom of this. Edge of this will stay just underwater. It'll root pretty good. Just keep an eye on it every day because the water evaporates pretty quick. So, but this is coming along pretty good. You can see this. So, pretty simple getting it started. Now, I'll set this on the side. We're going to take a look at this one. Now this one, well, something's got a hold of this leaf on this one. But you can see, I don't want to pull it out, but you can see all the roots. Now, when you get dead particles like this, growing stuff that starts dying off, you need to keep it pulled off to keep the bacteria and growing on it. Now I know it's starting to turn, the bottom of this starting to turn black somewhat. I'm fixing to need to clean it off, but I'm gonna fix to pot it up. This one got a bunch of roots on it. This one's probably gonna grow several. Well, at least, well, from what you can see, turn around this way. You see two shoots coming up, and the third one starting right here. So this would be 3 heads of cabbage on this one right now. Maybe produce more. I've seen some that people have done like this or grown, they produce 4 or 5 heads of cabbage. So maybe it will, maybe it won't, but we start regrowing it over and over. So it's a lot quicker than growing from seed. So this is pretty healthy, pretty good shape right now. You can see the leaves on it. Well, that's been attacked by something. But it's coming along pretty nice. So we're fixing to pot this up. Okay, now that we've got that done, now we're gonna take I got some just some soil here, compost soil. Pour it in here. This is not the bucket we're planting in. This is what I'm gonna mix it up in. Now this soil right here is just compost and topsoil. What I usually use for everything. But I do have some this right here I just bought the other day. You can get it at Walmart. This is compost and biochar. So it has mycorrhiza fungi in it. So I'm gonna use this to put in the hole before I plant the cabbage. Alright, now maybe we can get started with this. We're going to put the soil. I'm just going to pour this soil in here. It was just about. Not quite enough. Not quite enough. Hopefully that's enough right now. Now, I'm going to take this cabbage and plant a hole right in the middle right here to put it in. But before I do that, I'm going to put this compost biochar down in here. A little bit of it. Some of it. And we'll mix it in really on the top. That'll be enough, I guess. We'll just mix it in on the top some, right along here. I'm going to start a little hole. Put this cabbage down in. It don't need to be that big, does it? Now, hopefully, that'll grow to a good sized plant. Get several heads of cabbage off that. We'll have an update in a month or so, see how well this thing does. Well, that's about all there is to it. It's a lot quicker growing it from these from the cabbage, from the leftover part of the cabbage, than it is growing it from seed. A lot faster. So, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up, share and subscribe, and until next time, thanks for watching.